Hey everyone, let's take a breath together. Inhale or exhale. Feels good, right? Now let me ask you something deep. Have you ever finished a yoga session, stretched your body, followed every pose perfectly, but still walked away feeling empty, still anxious, still heavy inside? Here's the question we're asking today. What if we do yoga for the body, but ignore the soul? Let's dive into this, slowly, mindfully, together. Let's be real, yoga is everywhere now. We've got hot yoga, power yoga, goat yoga, yes, that's real. Yoga on Instagram with aesthetics, mats, outfits, ring lights. We stretch, we flow, we take the perfect photo in downward dog. We crush 10,000 steps, 45 minutes of vinyasa, and even sync our Apple Watches. But what if we're only treating yoga as a physical workout and missing its deeper purpose? Yoga wasn't meant to just shape your body, it was designed to awaken your soul. Did you know the word yoga means union? Union of body, mind, and spirit. It's not just about how flexible you are, and it's about how connected you feel to yourself, to your emotions, to something higher than the daily grind. But here's the problem, we're in perfect form physically, while spiritually we're falling apart. We can do the crow pose, but can't sit with our own thoughts for 5 minutes. We can bend backwards but can't forgive someone who hurt us. We can stretch our legs, but not stretch our hearts wide open. If yoga is healing the body, but the soul is still ignored, we're only doing half the practice. Here are some real signs that you're doing yoga for the body, but not the soul. You feel peaceful during the session, but anxious right after. You focus on perfect poses, not how your heart feels. You never reflect or breathe deeply outside the mat. You compare your progress with others. You skip stillness, silence, or meditation. You're growing strong physically, but still feel disconnected inside. It's like watering the leaves, but forgetting the roots. Your body becomes flexible, but your emotions stay tight. Let's talk about the bigger picture. We live in a world where we're always rushing, always distracted, always doing something. Yoga was meant to be a break from all that. But now even that's becoming a performance. We've turned it into content, into competition, into calories burned. But what's the point of touching your toes? If you can't touch your truth, what's the point of breathing in rhythm? If your soul is still holding its breath? When we ignore the soul in yoga, we start to numb ourselves, emotionally lose spiritual connection. Mistake movement for meaning, become fit outside, but fragile inside. Here's how to reconnect and practice real soulful yoga. 1. Start with intention, not ambition. Instead of asking, how can I push my limits? Ask, what does my soul need today? 2. Embrace stillness. End your session in silence. Even 2 minutes of just being can be powerful healing. 3rd, journal after your yoga. Ask, what did I feel today? Or what came up for me? Yoga reveals what's hidden. Write it down. 4, use breath as prayer. Each inhale is life entering. Each exhale is release. Make your breath sacred. 5, let go of comparison. Yoga is a personal journey, not a performance. Your soul doesn't care how deep your stretch is. It cares how deeply you feel. 6, add spiritual practices. Read something uplifting, light a candle. Practice gratitude, meditate. Whatever connects you to something bigger than you. When we do this, yoga becomes more than a routine. It becomes a return to ourselves. So, my friend, the next time you roll out your mat, pause for a second, close your eyes, place your hand on your heart, and ask, am I here just to stretch my body, or am I here to stretch into my soul? Because the deepest healing doesn't happen in your hamstrings, it happens in your heart. Let yoga be more than just movement. Let it be a sacred space where your body, mind, and soul come home to each other. Like, share, and subscribe if you're ready to go deeper. Not just in your pose, but in your purpose. See you in the next one. Until then, move gently, breathe deeply, and feel everything.